Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to our YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata moves, where we break down Salsa and Bachata moves. My name is Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We are from the Island of Cyprus, and here today we're going to break down an improver intermediate. I wouldn't say even intermediate, just improver. If you know the basics of Bachata and the turns and maybe a little bit of sway, not exactly waves, you'll be able to do it just fine. Because everybody doesn't want always advance. Even as an advanced dancer, I like to do some soft moves when the music goes soft. So this is one of our good options. As we do now in our latest video, we're just first going to show it to counting so you can see it. Then we'll break down into the lesson and give you the minor tips that are going to help you. And at the end of the lesson, we'll both do it together with music. Both meaning you. Let's get going with counting. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh la la. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 5, 6, 7, 8. I really think I hit a home run with this one. Anybody that's a beginner out there, when you do this move, you're going to feel like you moved up a level, and it's quite easy. Okay, so if you found something that you like, even a small one, stick around for the lesson. I'll be analyzing it now. You know I like to overdo it. And even if we don't have battery in the mobile, I'm still trying to explain to the maximum. And yes, mobile guys, we're trying to get with donations a new camera. If you like, there's a PayPal link for donations in the description. Let's get started with the lesson. Basic first, and everybody, it's one of the first moves you learn, to roll the lady in. I call it the burrito. Now, you're going to imagine there's a hula hoop around both of you, and you're going to move her 1, 2, 3, 4 to the other side. Now, immediately the lady stays in the center, and you go around her to make this successful. 1, 2, shoop. You change direction very fast. Now 5, 6 you open, but be careful. Some people do this. I just pushed her with my hand only, and this is a little bit, not brutal, but for the lady. So move your body forward, and then move your body back to give the tension she needs. Give her a turn this way. Boom. And now we're going to go forward, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's forward, forward, back, and tap, and connect the hands. All right, let's do it one more time from the beginning. 5, 6, non-stop, together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and up. Burrito, 6 and 7, 8. Hula hoop. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're in a diagonal. That's okay because it actually looks nice. If you notice in the counting, I straighten out afterwards, so you can do that as well. So we bring in the hands, 1, 2, 3, as we go side basic. Now, guys, we go back basic, the ladies forward, and we're going to hug ourselves. 5, 6, 7, grab underneath here to the side and squeeze the elbows so you can softly push the lady back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we create a distance to actually do a body wave. We rarely do it, usually we're closer, but it really looks nice. And if you do a big one, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go from the beginning one last time, I promise. There's a little bit left. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here's where I like to return back to my side. Sorry guys if we get a little bit off screen, let's come on back. And as I do the basic to the left, I prepare the lady with the left hand down and the right hand up to go to a reverse sedenda. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to unroll the lady, but don't let go any of the hands. This one stays, and this one goes to the lady's left side of her neck. 1, 2, let go now at the end and grab the shoulder. So you keep that connection so it shows nice. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and sensual. 5, 6, 7, 8. Automatically, ladies, when the guy grabs you here, you place it softly above him because we're gonna stay connected. Now from the side, it's a full 8 of something like a body wave going forward and backwards, forward and backwards. And the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's very nice to relax every now and then. Okay, so from here after we did da 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 da, you have the connection. Roll the lady out. 1, 2 with the left on top. 5, 6. Create an X with your hands. Now you see the X here. These elbows will enter the lady's elbows as well, and we create a circle. And when we do that, that's on 1, 2, 3, 4, and sticking the head in. 1, 2, 3, with the elbows, you place it on your rib cage. Please not in your armpit, they stink. And then, just like fans, we're gonna go 5, 6, 7 to the shoulders. Not too close, because you want her shoulders to show. Like this, it's not showing. And you go 1 shoulder, 2 shoulders, 1 body wave small, 2 body wave smalls, and voila, that's the whole move, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much, Andrea. Now, how about we go and do it to music? Because I know everybody's asking me, hey, this is only with counting. This is only the lesson. I want to see it with music. So I decided all of my videos to be a little bit longer so I can accommodate everyone. And I put in the streaming line, you can go straight away to the lesson, straight away to the music, and skip between pieces. Let's go to the music.